On this 2-pack adjustable bracket stand, because I have a limited space here at my apartment, so I want to maximize space, and anything kind of tripod that I don't need on the floor I can going to try to put in my desk in this. So this is what you get. Is metal, has the twist type, so you untwist, extend, and again untwist, extend. The top is this kind of C-stand type, which you can use with a protector, or you can unscrew and you have 1/4. Okay, so this is on top, also includes the protection. So the base is with this female, because this female you are going to attach to, let me show you, this. Okay, this male goes attached here very quickly. Okay, this is coming. Now this male is attached here, and you put this on your table. It doesn't work like this because maybe, let's say, your table is too thick, then you have the option of to adjust from these two holes and use these two at the bottom, so you have a wider gap here if needed. So you got two like that one. Here is the other one, again pure metal. In regards the pole is metal. This one is metal, but also has neoprene here, so doesn't damage your desktop or table. Also the other counterpart here, I don't know if you can see on my video, let me try to move wider so you can see better, but also has a neoprene, so it's going to take care of your table, not damage to your table. What else is in here? Well, that's nice, because for the head, once you have the 1/4 head, they included, let me show you, they included two like this. This is for the cold shoe. Okay, 2 1/4. They included two of these, and also they included two of this kind of head, which can rotate. It's not the most sturdy out there, but it's nice they threw it in there for free, or included in the price, right? Nothing is free, but it's included in the price. So very basic. If you want to start the moment you take out of the box, you are ready to go. Unscrew here, screw here, and you should be able to attach here, for instance, one light, and be able to move at your convenience. I think it's good value for the money, because they include everything you need. Recommended.